I'm Katrina, producer of Urban Legends Haunt here at the OC Fair and Event Center, where Halloween is not canceled. Welcome to Urban Legends Haunt at the OC Fair and Event Center.
Ta-da， 看我后面啊，有这么多车，这些车呢都要是去干一件事情，是什么呢？是勇闯鬼领地。什么鬼领地啊？因为现在马上到万圣节了。那么每年的万圣节呢，其实美国人有很多创意十足的这种打扮呐、活动，但是今年呢，因为疫情的缘故，很多的活动都被取消了。挡不住大家想要过节的这样的热情啊，所以呢，在 OC Fair 这个地方就有一片地啊，就有5个沉浸式的这样的鬼领地，然后大家开着车呢，就可以穿越到不同的场景去体验万圣节的这种受惊吓的感觉。那待会儿呢，我们也要开着车从里面一个场景一个场景的穿过去，来感受一下这样的别有一番滋味的万圣节是什么样的呢？
Is here at the drive-in, and then they're going to go through several other ones. One of them is the cave with Black Star Canyon, then they're going to go through a forest with the Sasquatch, and then they're going to go through a carnival, and then also they're going to go through our Bloody Mary. My favorite one is, and I'm only not going to say the name 3 times because that's going to jinx it, but it's Bloody Mary. That one is the scariest by far, and it's a very immersive experience. It's very theatrical. We have lots of actors, scares, as well as dancers here. Immersive experience inside your vehicle. So when people come in, they're going to go through 5 immersive show zones. In each of our show zones, they're going to stop their vehicle, turn off their lights. If they have their windows down, they're going to have their mask on. If the windows are up, they don't have to wear their mask. And then the show is going to happen all around them. And there's 5 immersive show zones.
我们准备要进场了，里面现在能听到有很低沉的男人的声音，不知道在放什么样的片子。
People are loving it. People are showing up. People want something to do. People do not want Halloween to be canceled, and we're ecstatic that they're here experiencing at Urban Legends Haunt. What? Yeah. We did open up Tuesday's availability, but you can get your tickets at urbanlegendshaunt.com. We have all our information there, as well as merch and food.
总算出来了！我刚才在里面的时候，真的有被吓到，尤其是当有人悄悄地到我的窗外，然后看到他的时候。总之，整个这个过程，我喊的嗓子已经哑了。现在，如果说今年的万圣节你们还没有什么安排的话，非常推荐来体验一下这样的一个沉浸式的勇闯鬼领地，真的是让你能有一些节日的那种氛围。当然，我是属于胆子比较小的人，胆子大的人呢，还可以跟这里面的各种鬼怪来进行一下互动，也蛮有趣的。那今天呢，我先体验到这儿了，我现在还要缓一下，待会儿我打算来一筐炸鸡，我要压压惊，实在是太吓人了。
You must feel rather lonely here.